Alright, so just fucking fired this bad boy up. Changed out the capacitor. You can see how it's all, you can see right there how it's all bubbled up. See that? It's supposed to be recessed and straight across. Shit's leaking out. There's some crap. So that guy was sitting right there. The new one, you can see that. It's nice and flat. That's how you can tell a blown capacitor. Let's see if I can show some light on the subject. Nice and flat in there, not bubbling out. Really easy. Two guys up there came out or disconnected the wires. We made sure they matched up. Blah blah blah. Fired up, but it's got kind of a weird sound to it. Starting to think the bearings are going out or are out on the fucking fan motor. So I'm gonna shut it off and see. Blah blah blah. I can push it up and down. Originally the fan wasn't coming on when I'd start it up. Or it'd kick on, you know. And just sit there humming. So I did the cap. Alright, now listen to that baby purr. Now she sounds more like she should. She still sounded funny. I was thinking the bearings, because I could only push the shaft up and down, not sideways. Took the motor numbers down. I'm going to look it up, see how much it is. Get ready to buy it. Boom. Fucking glad though. That capacitor did its job. Sweet. So yeah, that applies for all capacitors. You see them fucking bubbled up, they're bad. Or leaking, bad. Boom. Thank God. Motor would be way more. What's up, mister? Pipe.